Superminds Students Book 1. How to make 3D apple. Hello everyone. Before we begin, please open your Superminds workbook, page 56. Now, you will need A4 paper, colored pencil, a pair of scissors, and glue. Fold the paper in half, then draw half an apple. Cut out the apple, then cut out one more apple. Cut a hole in the middle of the apple. Do the same for the other piece. Color the apples nicely. You can use colored paper if you want, but if you don't have, we can just color the apples with colored pencil. On one piece, cut from the core. You can use ruler to measure. On the other piece, cut from the top and bottom. Use the pencil to mark the piece and ruler to make lines. Put one piece into the core of the other piece. Do it slowly and carefully, or you may tear the apples. Draw some leaves and seeds and stick them with glue. You can use colored papers and pens too. Ta-da! Now you have a 3D apple. Great job! Happy crafting, everyone! Let me know in the comment section if you tried this one. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. See you later. Bye-bye.